A friend observed some white spots on her skin and she decided to visit a doctor who advised her that the cause was the heat and that she should also avoid bathing like 2 3 times in a day using soap, but just bathe with soap once, and that would help. So she was sad and she gave me a call, and that's how I made this special tallow balm using extra virgin coconut oil. Stay tuned. So we start by melting, 1 cup of tallow using the double boiler method. And then I have a 1/2 cup extra virgin coconut oil. You can always check out my video in the description of how I make it. And then I have my lavender essential oil that I'm going to scent it with, but you don't have to. And I have my Annatto. Annatto is loaded with vitamin E. So instead of using vitamin E, I use Annatto. And if you can see some grams at the bottom of my oil, that is dry aloe vera gel. I'll also give a link in the description of the video I did. So this is ready now. We'll allow it to cool. So this is how it looks after cooling for a while, and it's ready now to be attached to the cake mixer. And then now let the magic begin. So you start slowly and gradually increase the speed. So welcome to our channel, Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Thank you so much for subscribing and always coming back to watch our videos. Much appreciated. So I'm gonna add essential oil now. It's optional. Yeah, just a few drops, 10. If you are making it for somebody with very sensitive skin, you don't have to add essential oil. So I'm gonna leave a few links in the description, how I make my Annatto powder, how I dried my aloe vera gel, how I render tallow, and even how I made the extra virgin coconut oil in 24 hours. So it's important to pause the mixer once in a while to scrape the sides so we have a smooth consistency. We are getting there. It's beginning to thicken, but it's not going to be as thick as whipped cream. It's going to look a little bit runny, but trust me, once it gets into that jar, it has a way of just settling itself and thickening. So this is how it looks. Not bad at all. So I have my jar ready. And we're just going to do some scraping and some pouring. Trust me, this tallow balm saved my friend some dollars from purchasing the prescription cream, which is very, very pricey. So she used the tallow balm and also the tallow soap. I'm going to give a link also of how in the description of how I made my tallow soap. You see how it's looking, that beautiful yellow, and it will be thicker than how it's looking in the jar. Let's let it, you see, after a few minutes, this is how it looks. Let's stir it. You see that it's thickening. It is thickening, and I'm sure after a few days it will thicken. Yeah, so there you go, guys. So my friend's skin is beautiful because of this tallow balm. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.